Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hi Sam, welcome to the team. Before we dive into your tasks, let's make sure your computer is all set up. Do you need any assistance with that?
Thank you. Actually, I could use some help getting my computer set up.
Sure thing. Let's get started. Do you have your login credentials handy?
Yes, I have them right here.
Great. Let's log in and make sure everything is working smoothly. Once you are in, we will check if all the necessary software is installed.
Sounds good. I am logged in now.
Perfect. Let's first ensure you have access to our project management software and email system. Can you see them on your desktop?
Yes, I can see both of them.
Excellent. Now, do you need any additional software or tools specific to your role?
Not that I can think of right now, but I'll let you know if anything comes up.
All right, if you need anything else or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to me or our IT support team. We want to make sure you have everything you need to hit the ground running.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. We're here to support you every step of the way. Now, let me introduce you to my team.
Sure, I would love to meet them.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like to take a moment to introduce our newest team member, Sam.
Welcome aboard, Sam. We are glad to have you here.
Hi Sam, looking forward to working with you.
Thank you everyone. I'm thrilled to be here and eager to work with all of you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe to our channel.